Welcome back. Now we're really getting somewhere. Let's start with belly breath. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly draws back. A few more of these. Get into your rhythm. Settle into your breath. Settle into yourself. Going to add thoracic breath, just as we've done before. Combining those two breaths, first into the belly, then into the thorax. Belly expands, ribcage expands, ribcage draws back, belly draws back. Keep going with this, a few more of these. Getting into your rhythm. We're going to add clavicular breath. So first one, the belly breath. Second one, the thoracic breath. The third breath, continue to breathe in, drawing that air into the top of your lungs, then release. First your collarbone descends, then your ribcage closes, then your belly draws back. Inhale, deep, filling your lungs, exploring your lung capacity. Inhaling from the bottom into the ribcage, into the upper part of your lungs. Then exhale, collarbone descends, ribcage closes, belly draws back. Deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. Deep in. Long and slow out. Exploring your range. Exploring the breath. Keep practicing. This is the yogic breath, the best of breaths. Calming, nourishing, healing, reducing anxiety, and perfect for easing stressful moments. Deep into the belly, into the rib cage, into the top lobes of your lungs. See you soon. Keep breathing, keep practicing. Take care.